Yeah. Welcome back to another video. Jake and his toys. I gave him the option today what he wanted to do, and today he wants to go play with his cars again. Surprise, surprise. So we got his Hot Wheels table here. Yeah, fix that. There we go. So Jake wanted to play with all his cars. He was going to race them for us. So let's see what the race can do here, Bubba. You gonna race them for us?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see. Well, who's up first? Who's racing first?
Go.
That car? The dog car?
Yeah, go. Hey, mommy.
Like Molly? Yeah, like our dog Molly.
Go eat.
Yeah, we need two cars.
Okay. Two cars. Run. Go.
Oh!
Doggy.
Doggy got stuck. Let's see. Ah, there he goes. Ah, he didn't make it into the kitchen. All right, what else we got up today, Bubba? What other cars we gonna race?
Mommy. Go and get it.
Oh, that's gonna go in the kitchen?
Yeah.
All right. And he's off. Oh, he made a sharp left turn. He did not make the kitchen either. All right, so what else we got here?
This one.
And what kind of car is that?
A Volkswagen.
Yeah, it's a Volkswagen, correct. It's a Volkswagen thing.
Yeah, Volkswagen in. Volkswagen in, Daddy.
Yep.
Yeah, Volkswagen in. Go.
Here, show YouTube the car, the Volkswagen thing. Oh, yeah, show them. Whoa. They don't even make them anymore. And what is that?
Volkswagen.
No, it's not a Volkswagen. It's some kind of truck.
The front up.
Yeah, it looks like an armored truck.
I have go back.
Yeah, that's how they transport money. But this one, this Matchbox car, if you get it wet, it changes colors.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're not doing that in the house though.
No.
Why don't we race him down and see how fast he goes?
Yeah.
All right. So here he comes. Woo! And he made a hard left turn. I wonder what's up with all the cars making hard left turns today. What else we got in here? The pile of cars. Ooh, what car is that?
Mommy car.
It's Mommy's car because it's pink.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mommy like pink.
Yeah, Mommy likes pink.
Mm. My mom.
Ah,
Hey.
you got a pile of cars down there, dude. Ooh, what is that? Look at the symbol.
Let's go.
Yeah, what is it?
Hannah.
Honda, yeah, it's a Honda Civic.
Yeah, that's really cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, I got a cat.
It's gonna go down the track.
Let's eat. Go.
And he's off. Oh no, he's not gonna make the kitchen. Nope. Let's see if we can get a car into the kitchen today. The other day we were successful numerous times.
It's really cool.
What's that? That's a police car. Woo! Nope. No kitchen. What else we got there, dude? Oh, let's see. Oh, he made it. Yeah. High five. Yeah. And we missed. What else you got? You got any other race cars in there?
Yeah. Wait, keep pull and keep the bill
That was black, I believe.
And purple.
And purple. Ready? Go. Oh, nope. They crash.
Yeah.
And what do you do when they crash?
You got my heel.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
How about fire truck, police cars?
I got a heel.
Oh, he's right there. Oh, he's at the repair shop. I see what you're doing. Good idea, dude.
Yeah.
Just gotta get fixed. A little body shop.
Yeah.
Now you're fixing them up. Is he all? He's all fixed now? Yeah. Let's go race him and see if he's all good. Yeah, put him down the track again. And he's off. There you go. You fixed him up. Even though he didn't make the kitchen, but he did fly pretty fast. Alright, he needs to get fixed again?
Yeah.
Alright. Back at the body shop or the repair shop here.
Yeah.
What's he getting done today? You know, is he getting new tires? And they are the people that are working on the vehicle here. Oh, Itsy Bitsy Spider?
Yeah.
Alright, here we go. We're going for another race. Let's see what the purple car can do. Woo! Nope, didn't make it. What other cars? Do you have any other race cars up there?
Yeah.
Oh, that's fast?
Yeah.
Alright, let's see what this does. And he's off. And he crashed into the wall. He was fast, though. He probably would have rolled forever if the wall wasn't there. Corvette. Oh, it's going down that track. Oh, he popped off the track. Yeah, race him again.
Yeah.
And he's off. Oh, that was a gnarly crash.
Yeah. The gnarly cat.
All right, Bubba. Say bye to YouTube. We'll be back for another video.